Germany is home to many beautiful cities, but one stands out as a true hidden gem: Dresden. Nestled on the banks of the Elbe River, Dresden offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and architectural splendor. This city will steal your heart. Dresden is a city rebuilt. It has emerged stronger and more beautiful than ever before. Come discover the magic of Dresden. Walk along the cobblestone streets. Enjoy the lively atmosphere. Let the city's charm captivate you. Dresden's beauty is a sight to behold. The city's skyline is a masterpiece. Baroque architecture mixes with modern buildings. This creates a stunning contrast. Dresden is a feast for the eyes. It's a place where history and beauty intertwine. Dresden's history is marked by both triumph and tragedy. The city rose to prominence as a royal capital. Its rulers lavishly adorned it with palaces and gardens. Dresden became a center of art and culture. Its beauty was renowned throughout Europe. However, World War II brought devastation. The bombing of Dresden in 1945 reduced much of the city to rubble. It was a dark chapter in Dresden's history. But from the ashes, a resilient spirit emerged. The people of Dresden were determined to rebuild their beloved city. With unwavering dedication, they painstakingly restored Dresden to its former glory. Historic buildings were reconstructed with incredible attention to detail. Today, Dresden stands as a symbol of resilience and the enduring human spirit. No trip to Dresden is complete without a visit to the Zwinger Palace. This architectural masterpiece is a testament to the city's opulent past. Augustus the Strong, Elector of Saxony, commissioned the Zwinger. He desired a magnificent pleasure palace. Construction began in the 18th century. The Zwinger is a stunning example of Baroque architecture. Its sweeping curves and ornate decorations will take your breath away. Courtyards, fountains, and pavilions create a sense of wonder. Today, the Zwinger Palace houses several world-class museums. Explore the Old Masters Picture Gallery. Admire works by Raphael, Rembrandt, and Vermeer. Immerse yourself in the world of porcelain in the Porcelain Collection. Section 4. The Heart of Dresden, Frauenkirche. The Frauenkirche is a symbol of Dresden. This Lutheran church stands tall in the heart of the city. It represents the city's resilience. The Frauenkirche has witnessed Dresden's tumultuous history. The original Frauenkirche was built in the 18th century. It was considered a masterpiece of Protestant sacred architecture. However, during the bombing of Dresden in 1945, the church was destroyed. Its ruins stood as a reminder of the war's devastation. In the 1990s, a remarkable project began. The Frauenkirche would be rebuilt. Using original plans and salvaged materials, the reconstruction was a testament to dedication and craftsmanship. Today, the Frauenkirche stands as a symbol of peace and reconciliation. Section 5. Dresden Castle, a step back in time. Dresden Castle stands as a proud symbol of the city's royal heritage. Located in the heart of the city, the castle has been the seat of Saxon rulers for centuries. It's a place where history comes to life. The castle's origins date back to the 13th century. Over the centuries, it underwent numerous transformations. Each ruler left their mark on the castle's architecture and design. Today, Dresden Castle is a fascinating blend of architectural styles. Step inside the Green Vault. Here, you'll be dazzled by one of the world's richest treasuries. Marvel at the precious jewels, intricate ivory carvings, and dazzling goldsmith's work. The historic Green Vault offers a glimpse into the opulence of Saxony's past. Section 6. Discover Dresden. Dresden is a city that will captivate your heart. Its beauty, history, and culture combine to create an unforgettable travel experience. Explore the city's architectural gems, wander through its museums and art galleries, soak up the vibrant atmosphere, enjoy a leisurely stroll along the banks of the Elbe River, savor the flavors of Saxon cuisine. Let Dresden enchant you with its charm. Discover why Dresden is a must-visit destination. Dresden is waiting to be discovered. Come experience the magic of this captivating city. Let Dresden's beauty and history leave a lasting impression on your soul. Don't miss the chance to explore this gem of Germany.